Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to deal with the chemical reactions in the chapter of digestive system. So let's continue with it. Now first of all we will be dealing with the action of pancreatic juice reactions, juice secretions. First of all, nearly about 30% of starch gets converted into maltose at a pH of 6.8 with having the salivary amylase as the enzyme. Salivary amylase as the enzyme at a pH of 6.8. 30% of starch gets converted into the maltose. Now the another reaction, that pepsinogen. First one was this. Now we are on the second. Second is that pepsinogen gets converted to pepsin by the action of hydrochloric acid at a pH very low, that is of about 1.8. Now let me tell you another point. From this only we derive the next reaction, that the pepsin acts as an enzyme in the proteins when the proteins gets converted into the peptones and proteoses. The peptones and proteoses. These were the basic three reactions. That 30% of starch in the action of salivary amylase gets converted into maltose. Pepsinogen under the effect of HCl at a pH of 1.8 gets converted into the pepsin, and proteins under the action of this pepsin gets converted into the peptones and proteoses. Now let's continue with the fourth reaction, in which what happens, that trypsinogen gets converted into trypsin. It gets converted into trypsin under the impact of enterokinase. Under the impact of enterokinase. This is the enzyme of, it is an enzyme of the intestinal, it is an enzyme of the intestinal juices. It is an enzyme of intestinal juices, right? Now trypsinogen, as you very well must be knowing, that it is a pancreatic juice. Trypsinogen is a pancreatic juice. Chymotrypsinogen, trypsinogen, these are our pancreatic juices. Now let's move to the fifth reaction which we are having, which says that proteins, peptones and proteoses, proteins, peptones and the proteoses gets converted into the dipeptides, and under the impact of trypsin, under the impact of trypsin or chymotrypsin, chymotrypsin or carboxypeptidases. Carboxypeptidases. These all are the pancreatic juices which are used as an enzyme in this case. Now let us move to the sixth reaction which we are having, in which the polysaccharides gets converted into disaccharides. And under the impact of amylase. Now we are moving to another reaction. We are moving to the seventh reaction basically, in which what happens, in which fats gets converted into diglycerides under the impact of your lipase. And diglycerides gets converted into the monoglycerides. In this reaction. Now moving on to the last reaction of action of pancreatic juice secretion. The last reaction which we have here, in which, let me change the color, in which the nucleic acids gets converted into nucleotides. Under the action of nuclease. And this nucleotide further gets converted into nucleosides under the impact of nucleotidases. There are total 8 reactions under the action of pancreatic juice secretions. Further action of intestinal juice secretions we will be dealing in the next video. So in this video till here only. Thank you so much.